At present, there are many who question the existence of fungi. Many classify them as parasites, useless and disgusting things. But how much do we really know about them? Do not underestimate them, they are much more than you imagine. The fungi kingdom is one of the groups in which biology classifies known life forms. There are more than 144,000 different species of fungi, including yeasts, molds, and mushrooms, and they share fundamental characteristics such as immobility, heterotrophic feeding, and certain cell structures. Fungi exist all over the world in different habitats, and appear in different forms and presentations. Only 5% have been studied and classified, and it is estimated that there are around 1.5 million species still unknown. Although the total number of toxic or poisonous mushrooms is not known, it is estimated that there are about 100 toxic or suspected toxic species. This is a very low percentage. Not all fungi are harmful. Fungi reproduce sexually and asexually, always through the production of spores, forms resistant to the environment that, when the optimal conditions exist, germinate and create a new specimen of the fungus. The growth of the hyphae, once the spores have germinated, can be very fast. A tropical fungus grows about 5 mm per minute. The fungus, in addition to having a site for its development, obtains carbohydrates, vitamins, and water from the plant. In return, the fungus provides the plant with minerals and other benefits such as protection against parasitic soil organisms and resistance to drought. Compounds obtained from fungi have been discovered, which have applications in health, such as antibiotics, anti-cancer, anti-tumor, antifungal, and even antiviral. Many of the uses of mushrooms have been discovered serendipitously. This is by accident, such as penicillin. If the mushrooms disappeared, we would be living in a huge garbage heap. All the fallen leaves, grass clippings, dead trees, and other organic debris would just accumulate. Fungi are important decomposers of the environment. They not only get rid of waste, but also make the nutrients in the waste available to other organisms. Some of the most well-known types of fungi are mushrooms, which can be edible or poisonous. Many species of mushrooms are poisonous to humans. Some mushrooms will simply give you a stomach ache, while others can kill you. Some mushrooms can be eaten when cooked, but are poisonous when raw. So if you find mushrooms in the wild, don't eat them until you're sure you're safe. The structure that we see is only the fruiting body or carpophore of the fungus, where the microscopic spores are found for reproduction. Commonly known as the foot is the stipe, and the hat is the crown, whose appearance and coloration can be very varied and attractive. In the lower part of the crown there are many lamellae where the spores are located. In reality, the body of the fungus is inside the substrate where it lives and is made up of an infinity of tiny microscopic tubular filaments, called hyphae, which branch out a lot and whose set is known as mycelium. Fungi are not plants. They constitute an independent kingdom more related to animals. Mushrooms are much more sophisticated than they appear to be. They have made virtue of their defects. Did you know that 90% of the plants on our planet could not live without the associated fungi that help them absorb elements such as phosphorus and other necessary nutrients? They are weavers of networks that unite the world. Thanks to the function of the fungi, the earth became the habitable place.